When you are ready to post your cast and crew payroll invoice to PSL Plus, select the payroll folder on the left-hand side. Then, select Payroll Edit List or Payroll Post. This will bring up the Post PR Transaction screen of PSL Plus. Make your selection of what invoice you would like to post. In this case, you may select by batch, reference, invoice, company, bank, or currency. If left blank, you will post all available payroll invoices. If you'd like to select a specific reference transaction number, right-click in the reference box, and you will be greeted with a pick list of available reference numbers. In this case, I will select 184. This lets my system know that I only wish to post reference number 184 for payroll invoices and nothing else. If I'd like to see a preliminary edit to check over my work, I may use the Edit List report type. This will not post and just show me the data in which I am preparing to post. If I'd prefer to post my data and I am ready, select Posting Register, then select Print in the upper right. Once you have selected Print, select the printer in which you would like the posting register to print to. Hit Print. Name your payroll posting register as appropriate. Hit Save. You may now look over your payroll posting register. If everything looks correct and is ready to be posted, navigate back to PSL Plus. Select Yes if everything has been printed correctly. If it has not been printed correctly, press No, and you will be able to try again. Select Yes, Payroll Distributions posted to your general ledger. Your payroll has now been posted to PSL Plus.